Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what can we make this Independence Day. We took 4 different color square sheets that represent the colors in the flag of India. Then we make necessary folds and cut them to make flowers. One by one, we will do the same with every sheet and make flowers of 3 different sizes. Here we have made the largest flower with green color, followed by white color and smaller one being the orange color sheet. Then we took a glazed paper of blue color to represent the blue color of Ashoka Chakra. Hit the like button now and give comment. Now paste white flower on green and then orange flower over that. In the end, paste blue color flower above all. Here is the beautiful hanging piece for Independence Day. Keep subscribed for more updates.